I have rejected students with 8 plus and 9 CGPA during campus placement. And before you get angry, let me tell you why. Not because they were weak student or they didn't study or they didn't know the answer to the question what was asked to them. In fact, I think most of them must be knowing the answer. But you know what was the problem? They were unable to explain the answer. As someone who has worked in HR and have visited engineering colleges, MBA colleges, and other campuses for hirings along with my team, I have seen this happen again and again. You ask the student a question, and maybe the answer is there, the knowledge is there, but the thought is so much scattered that they are unable to structure the answer and present in front of you. Now, after speaking for 2 minutes, like interviewers are like, what the candidate is trying to say, they're unable to figure it out. So if an interviewer is unable to understand your answer, how they will know what you know? Like, we cannot read your mind. You are a college fresher sitting in the placement of the college, so we can only evaluate you not on basis of any experience, because you don't have. We just have communication. That means whatever knowledge you have and whatever question we are asking you, you should be able to communicate that, I mean express that clearly. And this is where many students make mistakes. They think communication means you should be speaking in fluent English. No, please listen carefully. Communication means you should be able to communicate, or you can say you should be able to express yourself, your thoughts clearly in a structured way. Doesn't matter you speak in Hindi or English. That's the secondary thing. The primary thing is, will you be able to make the person in front of you understand what you're thinking? Because placement doesn't mean hiring mark sheets. It means you're hiring an employee who would be working tomorrow with the clients, with the team, managers, and colleagues. So, if you're communicating with the client tomorrow and you're unable to express your thoughts or whatever work, the client will definitely have a bad impression, and this will somehow create a bad impression over the company as well. So, that's why it's very important. Let me clear out one more misconception. I'm not saying CGPA is not important. CGPA, your knowledge, and your academics, all three matters. But sometimes you must have seen students with a bit average marks get selected in front of you, and you wonder like, yaar iska kaise ho gaya, like he or she has less or low CGPA than mine. Well, the answer to this is clear communication. A question was asked to her or him, and the student was able to think properly, structure the answer, and explain it properly with confidence. Now the interviewer understood what she answered, and she also understood what is the thought process of the student, and that created a strong impression. If you are someone who is preparing for the campus placement, keep focusing on your studies and your academic, keep building the knowledge, but along with that, please practice expressing yourself. That is super important. Even if you have knowledge, everything, and you are unable to express it, there is no point, you will not get selected. तो सिर्फ अपनी बॉयफ्रेंड और गर्लफ्रेंड के सामने प्यार एक्सप्रेस मत करो. यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस दिस एक्सप्रेशन एज वेल, क्योंकि भाई ज़िंदगी प्यार से नहीं चलती, सिर्फ ज़िंदगी चलाने के लिए पैसे चाहिए, एंड पैसे आएंगे अच्छी जॉब से. सो यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस दिस एक्सप्रेशन. वन ऑफ द सैडेस्ट थिंग आई हैव सीन ड्यूरिंग द कैंपस प्लेसमेंट इज दैट seeing good brilliant student losing the opportunity just because they were unable to express the thoughts or express the answers. That really hurts. So guys, your CGPA will get you shortlisted and your knowledge will get you inside the interview room, but it's your clear communication which often what helps you cross the finish line. That means to get selected. And this is also applicable on off campus, off campus hirings. Communication is equally important there also. Hope this helps you.